Heroes of the road. Animal power.
Puny PJ Masks, you think you can defeat me?
Well, there's just one of you against 3 of us, plus 3 PJ Riders. So that makes,
6. I am the mathematical genius, not you. Solve this one. Star power! That's whiskers! Beware, Newton, bad star!
Eagle owl, swoop and fly. Power lizard, flirt.
Ew! Yuck! Luck! Whoa!
and how about a kitty tummy tickle?
End of training simulation. I got work to do. Coochie coochie!
That was cool, chameleons. You love practicing against a pretend villain, don't you?
Not totally realistic. Being a villain is the one thing Newton Star's not great at. Too nice.
Your PJ Riders are fascinating. You say they came from the PJ Crystal?
Whenever we need them, we call them from our emblems here.
Amazing! Getting swooped and slurped? This has been interesting research. Tell me more.
The PJ Masks having a pajama party. What a snooze. Carly and Cartoka. Haven't seen you for a while. Aw, did you miss us? Like someone's gonna miss this. Stealing machinery? Again? Yes, just like we stole your PJ vehicle parts. Remember?
Ha! We got our vehicles back last time we met. Remember?
Goodbye, PJ Slowpokes. Eat my light speed! We're on our way to Zoomzania!
A speed portal? Blue Kid's from another dimension? I can't keep up.
This is what it's like when Carly and Cartoka come to town. Don't worry, we'll chase them. Let's go, Eagle Owl!
Wait! Our vehicles! The twins took them out of action, but we got them back, and they're even better now.
You're right. No wonder Cartoka looked worried. What are you thinking, Catboy?
Zoomzania! Imagine driving around it in the new improved cat car. PJ Robot, send us the PJ vehicles. We're gonna be heroes of the road.
Awesome!
How are you going to reopen the speed portal?
You just have to race at it with unbelievable speed. I'm talking about you, cat car.
Owl glider right behind you. All new Gekko Mobile. Let's go!
Guys?
We'll be back soon, Newton, with whatever that thing is they stole.
I don't know much about you PJ Riders, but I'd say you kind of want it to go too. They're just excited about their vehicles, and they need to get that machine back. It could be important. We'll hang out. PJ Crystal Energy, eh? Tell me about it. Oh, yeah. You can't talk. So, growl about it. Who? Squeak. I'll study your animal language. Cat stripe snuggle, that means I'm friendly. Power lizard slurp, can we play? And eagle owl, you're saying... Danger?